All right, gearheads and design enthusiasts, buckle up because today we're diving into something truly special. A vision of automotive beauty that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge futuristic flair. What you're seeing on your screen is a stunning reimagination, often referred to as a 2026 DS Coupé concept. Now, before we go any further, it's crucial to understand these incredible images are not of an officially announced production vehicle from DS Automobiles or Citroën. Instead, they appear to be highly sophisticated concept renders or digital art, created by an incredibly talented designer, showcasing what a modern-day spiritual successor to the iconic Citroën DS might look like as a two-door coupe. But oh, what a vision it is! Let's start where every great car design announces itself, the front fascia. The immediate impression of this DS Coupé concept is one of boldness, elegance, and undeniable heritage. The designer has masterfully incorporated elements that clearly pay homage to the original DS, but reinterpreted them through a distinctly modern lens. Notice those headlamps. They are perhaps the most captivating feature up front. Instead of the classic enclosed units, we see multi-element LED clusters, arranged in concentric circles. This isn't just a stylistic choice. It's a nod to the original DS's revolutionary swiveling headlamps, but brought into the 21st century with cutting-edge lighting technology. The outer rings glow with a warm, almost amber-like hue, serving as a distinct daytime running light signature, while the inner projectors promise powerful illumination. Below the headlights, the design flows seamlessly into a minimalist yet sophisticated grille. It's not overtly aggressive. Instead, it adopts a clean, horizontal slat design, hinting at efficiency and refined aerodynamics. The iconic DS Automobiles logo takes pride of place at the center, rendered in a sleek, perhaps brushed metal finish, signifying luxury and identity without being ostentatious. The lower bumper features subtle air intakes, hinting at necessary cooling for what could be a powerful, potentially electric drivetrain. Chrome accents are used sparingly, but effectively, outlining the grille and headlights, adding a touch of classic luster to the modern form. The overall impression is one of confident, understated luxury. Moving to the side profile, this is where the coupe designation truly comes alive. The roofline arcs gracefully from the windshield, sweeping downwards in a continuous, uninterrupted line to the rear, creating that quintessential fastback silhouette. This elegant taper is a hallmark of classic Grand Tourers and exudes a sense of speed and sophistication, even when stationary. The bodywork itself is incredibly smooth and sculpted, devoid of unnecessary creases or sharp character lines that often clutter modern designs. Instead, the surfaces are allowed to breathe, reflecting light beautifully and emphasizing the car's organic form. There's a subtle upward sweep along the lower door panel, which adds a dynamic tension to the profile. One of the most striking elements on the side are the wheels. They are large, multi-spoke, and finished in a deep black, contrasting sharply with the car's metallic blue-grey paintwork. Their intricate design looks both modern and a little retro-futuristic, almost like turbine blades. They fill the wheel wells perfectly, giving the car a powerful, planted stance. Notice the subtle continuation of chrome trim around the window line, defining the elegant glasshouse and providing a visual link to the front of the car. The absence of traditional door handles suggests either flush-mounted electronic handles or a hidden mechanism, further contributing to the seamless aesthetic. This side view truly encapsulates the concept's blend of classic proportions and modern execution. Now, let's talk about the rear, a view that often makes or breaks a coupe's design, and in the case of this DS Coupé concept. The rear is an absolute triumph. It continues the theme of elegant simplicity, but with a highly distinctive lighting signature. The rear deck slopes gently, leading to a beautifully integrated rear fascia. The most dominant feature here are the taillights. Similar to the front, they employ a multi-element circular design, echoing the classic round taillights of many vintage cars. But again, reimagined with modern LED technology. The inner two circles are larger, with what appears to be a solid glowing ring, while the outer two are slightly smaller, perhaps serving as turn indicators or reverse lights. The execution is incredibly clean, with no visible seams or bezels, giving them a jewel-like appearance. So, what can we infer from this magnificent DS Coupé concept? It's a compelling argument for how a heritage brand like DS Automobiles can draw inspiration from its most iconic past creations, not by merely replicating them, but by reinterpreting their core philosophies for a new era. The original DS was revolutionary for its high-drop pneumatic suspension, its unique styling, and its forward-thinking approach to comfort and safety. This concept, while purely visual, seems to embody that same spirit of innovation and distinctiveness